Experience the weather of both worlds, the warmth and the vapor, with the cool and the breeze, with leaves moist from the raindrops, the glare of the sun rays on top of the trees. Inhale the freshness of the earth like you've never did before. Entice, dwell in the earth's original habitat, a valiant sanctuary, with towering trees and blossoming bushes, with fragrant flowers and the cures that they may bring. See the wonders of creation before you like you've never seen before. Enjoy the vast array of wildlife, the grandiose walkers, the stunning aviaries, and the glorious swimmers. Imbibe your natural instincts with these creatures like you've never felt before. But beware of the menaces, the coils, the roars, the bites, and the frights of the mysteries behind the sacred forest, of the supernatural and the unknown. Then diverge, dive into the various offerings this wondrous place has to offer. Experience the Amazon River. Explore the corners of the jungles. Entice yourself with these wonderful creations. Implore your inner mammal as you interact with these creatures. Marvel at one of the Earth's natural wonders. Experience, explore, enjoy the Amazon. Brought to you by Millar Travels.